Welcome back. Now that we have our basic settings for our membership, we need to protect specific content. And to do that, we're going to go to our pages area and we're going to click on and we're going to add a new page. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in an image here. And we're going to assume that this is the protected content. So what we're going to do is to go back to our page settings. And if you look in the right side menu, what you're going to see here is that we can require a membership for access to this page. And all we're going to do is to tick the level that we've created. And then we are going to publish our page. Once the page is published, we can then view the page. And what we're going to do is we're going to view the page in a private browser so that we can see the experience that someone's going to have if they do not have access to the membership. And we are going to post our page. And what you'll see here is that we have a message saying this content is for the person that's going to be on the level that we created. And that's what we want for this particular membership content, to make sure that it is protected. So you can use your WordPress website to create a very simple membership and protect pages for individuals that have access to a specific level that you pre-created. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.